Hello everyone, if you are new here, my name is Rachel and I'm a full-time seller over on the Poshmark app. And today I'm doing another ThredUP unboxing. If you guys are not new, you know that I love to do ThredUP unboxings. Here we go. And previously I've done a denim box, I've done a Coach unboxing, and I like to do other unboxings. I've done Ipsy, a FabFitFun. So if that's something you guys are interested in, just follow my channel and you can see those videos. Please hit the subscribe button if you guys are interested in this type of content. I'm constantly adding new videos as I am today. Earlier I added an Ipsy review, and I actually did my makeup on camera so you guys can see how I use the product. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, I'm going to link that video right above here. So please click it and don't forget to subscribe as well. So today's ThredUP box, I have an addiction, I have to say, to ThredUP. I'm going to cover my here. Okay, so today I actually have two. I have this one is the Blouses and Tops Rescue Box. It is $32 and you get 10 items, so roughly $3.20 per item plus shipping. I did have a discount code, so I got this box for, I want to say, $31. So there can sometimes be more than the 10 items, so I'm hoping that there's more than 10 just for the cost of goods to be lower. But that's essentially what I pay for the items at the thrift store. So I'm hoping there's some good premium tops in here. I've seen different videos and it's kind of hit or miss. Some people get great items. I watched one woman and she got a Lululemon jacket, which everyone knows that who resells knows that that is amazing to find, and you know that it will resell really well. So I'm hoping there's going to be something like that in here. I've seen other videos where people got just Cato's and Maurice's and Target, which, not that those brands are bad, they just don't resell well for a good profit. And that's what I do. I'm a reseller. So, you know, that is my job, is to hopefully make some type of profit off of this. So I'm hoping there's some good things in here. I'm also going to do a unboxing of the other, it's actually two boxes, but it's one order of the 10 handbags for $90. So I've seen some videos and people have gotten really nice stuff and really not nice stuff. So once again, hit or miss. I've seen people get Michael Kors, Kate Spade, Rebecca Minkoff, I think is how you say it. Just really great brands. And so I'm really hoping that there's some good stuff in here. Those of you that have watched this know that this is a mystery box. You have no idea what you're getting until you get it in the mail. I did get to pick my size on this one. Some of them you can't. The denim box you can't. It's just a variety of sizes. So I did pick large because most people that are shopping, that's the size that they're looking for. So I picked large, plus I can wear a large, so if there's something in here I don't like or what have you, I can use it. So without further ado, let's jump on in. I'm going to hold the item up here so you can see, and then at the end, after the video is over, I do plan to comment below with the comps, because I feel like that's really important, because when I watch these videos, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for different ways to sell items. I'm looking for information about that, and I feel like you guys need that to see how much the items could possibly sell for, or potentially sell for. And so I'm not going to put it in the video because that just takes too much time to, you know, edit the video out, you know, and add the comps, but I will list them below in the description. Look for an update for that, so you can see how much I'm going to sell these items for. Okay, here's just my invoice. It just says I paid $32. This is called the Reject Box. That's weird. They put size medium large, 10 to 12, which is perfect. That is, I mean, that a 10, 12 is a perfect size, but I could have sworn I put large, which was like 12 to 14. I don't know. Medium large works well. 10 items for $32. So like I said, roughly $3.20. I did have a coupon code and it helped save on the shipping. So, but essentially it's $3.20. Just so you can see everything. They do wrap everything super nice. A lot of people do save the tissue paper for their packaging, but I don't use tissue paper as much. I put almost everything in those resealable poly bags that are clear, so I don't use the tissue paper, so I'm not going to worry too much about ripping it. Alright, I see some Express and some sweaters. Okay, there may be brands in here that I don't know, so it would be extremely helpful if you can comment below if you know what the brand is. I mean, I do plan on looking it up, but to make it easier for me, if you're like, oh my gosh, that's an Anthropologie brand, or oh my goodness, that's sold at Urban Outfitters, or what have you. So here we go. Here's what it looks like. Whoop. So I do see some like maroon colors, which are really great, like wine or burgundy. Really great for this type of year. Plus, I love them on me. So if it doesn't work out, I can wear it for sure. All right, I'm gonna start on this side here. Express. This is cute. Okay, so this is a black tank top, but it is like a dressy material. Here's the top, kind of a boat neckline. It does have a peplum waist, which is really popular right now. It's very flattering on anyone, really. It has a zip up in the back. Sorry, there's a mirror behind my phone and I'm using that a lot just to see what you guys are seeing. Peplum, it is a size medium. So this is really super nice. I think it's just polyester, but I will double check. It is double lined. Polyester 96%. It has a 4% spandex, but really there's not a lot of stretch to this. So this is really cute. This will be a really great career wear item for someone. So this is not bad. I don't know if I would have picked this up myself for $3.20, but we'll see. Okay, so next is a striped top. It is from J. Crew. I love selling J. Crew. I feel like it does sell well. It holds its quality. And it's just a really great company. Those of you that didn't know, I just found this out recently, but Madewell is owned by J. Crew. Didn't know that until recently, but I was looking at a Madewell top that I had and saw that on the inside it said J. Crew, so makes sense that they both sell really well. Okay, here is the tag, J. Crew, size medium. Once again, I'm not sure that I would pick this up had I been in the thrift store for $3.20. But it is a really cute top. I do like this detail here where they have like a layered here. And the lace up is a really cute detail as well. Navy and white. My kids are running around. I'm sorry about the background noise. Okay, 2 items. Next is different. Okay. So this is a really cute cardigan. Is this Argyle? Oh, I don't know for sure, guys. It's extremely thick. Wow, this is nice. It's not lined, but it is extremely thick. The back is like a open knit back, kind of the red color. I do not know this name. It says Copper Key, so I will have to do some research on this, but I love the olive color. That's beautiful. This is a great item for the fall or the winter. Let me just double check the tag because I do know what the RN code for Anthropologie. Okay, this is different. This is the tag on the inside. So it's in like Chinese or Japanese or something. So definitely going to have to research that. If you all, oh, here we go, RN 58909. Okay, so it's not Anthropologie that I know of. But if you guys know this brand, please comment below. This is adorable, size medium. Very cute. That could fit probably a size large too. Okay. There's something I'm going to pull out. Okay. Frederick's leg warmer. My children are yelling outside. So sorry. Okay. Leg warmer. Stocking collection. Frederick's of Hollywood. So I wasn't expecting this. This is definitely not a blouse. So I really hope that they didn't count this as a blouse item. I don't know about reselling this. I mean, obviously it is new, but I've never sold something like this. I'll have to research, but I have heard of Frederick's, so I don't know. Maybe this was a freebie they threw in there. Maybe I'll do this with a gift with purchase, or maybe I'll list it for $10 or something. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know if I'm going to count that as an item. I don't know. Moving on. All right, black. I do like black tops. Black is my favorite color. So kind of a slinky, oversized top, semi-sheer. I have no idea with this tag either. So It does seem to have some foreign writing on this as well. It looks very familiar from maybe another video, and I don't know what it was, but kind of a slinky top, somewhat sheer, very stretchy. Let's see what this says, if it happens to say. Heat Tech is what it says. Size large, 65% acrylic. I definitely wouldn't have picked this up, especially for $3.20. This probably, I wouldn't have even picked it up because it doesn't have a brand. Maybe it's a name brand that I just don't know about, so I will look this up. All right, next I see Kim Rogers. Not too thrilled about that because I definitely do not, although that's kind of cute, I definitely do not pick up Kim Rogers. I honestly couldn't tell you where this is from. And it is a petite medium. So selling this is going to be a little bit more difficult. It's white. I don't think white things sell as well. I may wait till the spring to list it, even though it's kind of a heavier material. I think white would do better in the spring. But it's nice. I don't see any stains. There's just some kind of dirt or what have you strings. I like the eyelet design at the bottom. That's really pretty. And this is really pretty. It's just not a brand that I would typically pick up. There's the tag. Once again, this may be a gift for someone, but I don't really know anyone who's a petite medium. All right, I see something else in here. Oh my goodness. Guys, this looks really old, from like 2003. It actually has the date of 2003. So, fashion trouser socks. Okay, so I'm not sure about that. Won't be listing that. Alright, next we have another black top. I do love the cap sleeves on this. That's really pretty. Does have an eyelet design there. So this is called Mason Jewels. Mason Jewels. Mason Jewels. Oh, I don't know. Cotton. I do not know this brand. I feel terrible for not knowing these brands. I don't. It kind of looks like something that maybe they'd sell at Anthropologie, but it's pretty basic, and Anthropologie usually has a little bit more unique items. So, I don't know. I'm going to look that up. It is a size large. So there's a size large. It does look a little bit small to me for a size large, but that's cute. May wait till the spring to list that because it is short sleeves. Alright, I see some Ann Taylor Loft. I do like Loft, and it is a beautiful blue color. It looks like one of her just classic vintage soft, okay? So it's called Vintage Soft, size medium. So these do run a little larger, which is nice. So really pretty, what is this, cobalt blue, electric blue, really pretty. It has like, are these one-third sleeves? One-third sleeves, cotton for sure. This is nice. Once again, I wouldn't have paid $3.20 for this. Well, I might have. I don't know. It's in good condition. 100% cotton. I don't know. We'll see how this does. Okay, this is really pretty. Hatch. It looks like something nice. I don't know. Hatch. Okay, so it has the keyhole in the back with a cute little button. The size, I don't know, guys. I don't know if that's like a large. I'm not really sure. I'll look at the care tag. Sometimes it has it there. So this is kind of a slinky blouse. It feels like polyester. It does have the cuffs at the wrist, no elastic, no button or anything. Kind of basic. It does have a little slit here at the bottom. That's a cute little detail. Just a nice career wear top. Hatch, 100% polyester. Don't know what brand this is. So far, I'm not really impressed with this box. So, you know, it is what it is. So this is nice. I'll look up Hatch. If anyone happens to know what brand that is, please comment below and help a sister out. Alright, it looks like we have just 2 more items, and this is longer. Okay, Okay. Emma James. I don't know what this is. I do see this a lot in the thrift stores. Emma James, size large. It is lined. It's just like a kind of a sheer knit top. It's lined. The sleeves are kind of see-through. I'm not impressed with this. I don't think I'll be ordering this box anymore. Hit or miss, you get what you get. There's a tag again. So this is, I don't know anything about this brand, but I can tell you 100% rayon. I can tell you it's dated. I can tell by the tag and the style. But who knows? Somebody might want it. All right, last is Jones, New York. Not a great company either. I mean, it's a good company. I take that back. I think you can buy them at department stores. I just haven't had luck with selling. Jones, New York, sport, size large. So it just looks like a basic black top. Oh, it's got a button detail. That's cute. Here in the front. Long sleeves. So I may keep this. This looks like it would be something I would wear. I love to wear black, but I don't think it would resell well because it's basic. Basic cotton. Let's see. Made in Indonesia. It's just 100% cotton, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so let me count these items because I really am going to be upset if they included this and those other things as an item because this is not a blouse. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so they didn't. That's good. 9. And then the express, so that's 10. So these were kind of just bonus little items. So I'm okay with that. That's fine. I don't think that these are going to sell. I'll probably donate these, to be honest. Or do maybe like a gift with purchase. But I don't know. We shall see. So like I said, I'm going to post the comps below. I honestly don't think I'm going to get my money back on this box because the items just aren't typical items that I would pick up. Like I said, I don't know what some of the brands are. I am going to do some research on them, but the styles, I just don't see selling well. I do think maybe this might do pretty well because of the colors and the contrast, and but I don't know the brand. The express top, I might make a little bit of a profit. I'm not going to make a lot on that. The only other thing that I wouldn't be too, maybe this might do okay. And then this, if I can look this brand up, Hatch. That may do well depending on if it's a premium brand or what have you. So I probably wouldn't do this box again just based on what I got personally. Like I said, I know some people have gotten really great items, but I'm hoping to make my money back on this, but I'm not hopeful that I will. So I personally would not do it again. But you live and you learn. That's how you find out if these work for you or not. So comment below what you think. Let me know if you happen to know any of the brands. Like I said, I'm going to do the purse. It's 10 bags for $90. I'm going to plan on doing that hopefully today and show you what I got. Hopefully I got something a little better than what I got in this box. But once again, it's a learning experience. If I don't like it, I don't have to order it again. It is what it is, and you just move on. So questions or comments, leave them below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Have a good day.